Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to install IIS. Please subscribe my channel first and press on bell icon to get my latest video. First, go to control panel, then go to programs and features, then click on turn Windows features on or off, then select Internet Information Services. Then OK. Okay, completed my installation. IIS, yes, and installation completed. And you can get IIS from control panel administrative tools. Then here IIS manager. You will open this one. Okay. Thanks for watching my video.